Now we look at example 5. So in example 5, find the value of x if log x minus 1 base 2 is equal to log x plus 5 base 4. In this example, you can notice that we have two different base. One is base 2, another one is base 3. Means that we need to change the base. So we need to change the base. So we have base 2 and 4. So next, first we need to know we need to change the base. Second, change to the smaller base. So in this question means that we change to base 2. So between base 2 and base 4, we change to the smaller base, which is base 2. So now on our left hand side, we already have the base 2. So nothing happened on our left hand side. Log x minus 1 base 2 is equals to, now from log base 4, I will need to change to base 2. Again, if you still remember, what we're going to do to change the base is, you can try to compare x plus 5 and 4. So you can see that x plus 5 is above 4. So when we change the base, x plus 5 is on the numerator. Over, for the denominator is log 4. So now we need to change to base 2. So you just put base 2 here. So this is base 2. This is how we're going to change the base. Next, log x minus 1 base 2 is equals to log x plus 5 base 2 over, from 4, I can change to 2 power of 2, base 2. So next, I will bring the index up front. So next step, log x minus 1 base 2 is equals to log x plus 5 base 2 over 2. Now log 2 base 2 is 1. So 2 times 1. So finally, I multiply 2 to the right hand side. I will have 2 log x minus 1 base 2 is equals to log x plus 5 base 2. So next, I will bring 2 to become index. So I will have log x minus 1 power of 2 base 2 is equals to log x plus 5 base 2. So now we have the same base. We can compare the bracket, or some of students, it just simply cancel out the log. So next, from here, I will have x minus 1 squared is equals to x plus 5. You need to expand this bracket. So it's x minus 1 times x minus 1 is equals to x plus 5. Then we expand x squared minus x plus 1 is equals to x plus 5. So since this is quadratic, or I try to simplify, x squared minus 2x plus 1 is equals to x plus 5. So since this is quadratic, I have to, one side must be 0. So x squared minus 2x plus 1 minus x minus 5 will be equals to 0. So x squared minus 3x minus 4 is equals to 0. Next, I try to factorize. So here is x, so this is equals to 0. Let's say this is 4, this is 1, negative 4 plus 1. So x is equals to 4, or x is equals to negative 1. For log, you have to be careful. After we substitute, the log must be positive. Now we have two values. One is x is equals to 4. Another one is x is equals to negative 1. I try to substitute into x. Let's say 4. 4 minus 1 is 3. 4 plus 5 is 9. So this 4 is okay. How about negative 1? Negative 1 minus 1 is negative 2. So log negative 2 is undefined. So we only choose x is equals to 4. Therefore, our x is equals to